Okay, so let me bring you up to speed here. I'll bring you, well, first let me place a closed position order here. Just to protect myself as I'm showing you this. The last order from Excalibvr was delivered at 9:39 in the morning at 862.50 to buy long. It is now 11:02 and the market price is 868.50. It's of the last minute. You can see here 868. Excalibvr delivered the order at 862.50. After that, shortly after that, we got the volatility indication the first time that this column became TT, read FC, and we got the horns, the sirens. It plays taps. So what I did at that point was I averaged up, and I had 10 lot, and I averaged up to get 20 contracts. And then as the market moved away from my point delivering some profit, I just covered the position with a little bit of profit, and I let the market run. Allowing it to do so took a little bit over an hour and 20 minutes, but it also allowed me to develop much more profit than if I had only taken 3 or 4 pips. So let me, I guess I don't need to drag that to show you, but the real first indication that I need to be covering the position is this A1. Now, A1 may come more than once, and if you check the website, you'll see what it is. I'm not going to explain it right this second, but so what I've done after having heard this A1 or seen it is I placed a closed position order much closer to the market price to protect a lot of the profit that the market's given me. The reason I did that is because this is the first signal that the calculations in the market are turning the other way. It doesn't necessarily mean that the market's going to turn around and go down right now, but what it does mean is that in the shortest term, the market has been pointing down, and you can see that from the chart. So instead of exiting the position, I've implemented an exit strategy by placing a closed position order away from the market price, and I will be trailing the market price as it moves in my direction. Okay, wonderful. Now the second thing that would tell me it's about time to get out is the TSR column turned red. Now, it also turned back green, so that's sort of mixed signals, but at very least this tells me that I should be looking to cover my position now and trail the market even further if I can, but at least make sure that I lock in this level of profit, which I've done. So I'm going to continue to trail the market. Hopefully well, I don't know if it's hopefully, but hopefully I'll be able to get out of this position in time for the YouTube video. They only allow me 10 minutes, but in either case, you can see that by allowing the market to fluctuate, I was able to reap quite a bit more profit than just getting in and out to cover the position and try to take 4 or 5 pips if possible. So I'm sorry I was not able to show you the entrance to that. It would have taken, this would be part 8 of the trade at this point, and most of it would have been pretty boring because the market moved up fairly slowly. It didn't move back down tremendously at all. But you are seeing this now, and I hope that you can learn something from it. You see, this was my average point. As I averaged up, I got in at 862.50. The FC came out around 865 or maybe 864.75. Anyway, I got a little bit better of a price. My average point is now 863.50, and if the market contracts a little bit more, I'm gonna take one more pip away from that to try to let that support my position. But if it doesn't, you can see that I've locked in a certain level of profit here, and I will be very happy taking that from the market. To bring you over here to show you a little bit more about what's going on. This is definitely telling me that my position needs to be covered because the moving averages are not breaking in, the directional analysis reads flat, and the TSR is becoming zebra striped. As well, the trading volume has diminished from its highest point and is continually diminishing. That does not mean the market will not continue in our direction. What it means is you need to have your position covered to be able to take profit if the market does change direction, and not exit so that you can reap the benefits if it continues going your direction, which you can see is working right now. Now because we're headed up towards the high of the day again, which was made probably 20 minutes ago or so, I'm going to try to allow the market to fluctuate as much as possible. So I'm actually not going to move my closed position order just yet, at least not pip by pip, because I believe that if we get up to the top there, around 871, which you can see here, there's going to be some pretty good fluctuation, and it may take a couple of attempts to break that top to create a new one, and I don't want to get taken out of the position if that is to occur. So I may inch up from this point, but I'm really not going to follow the market too closely just yet, in hopes that I can be part of the next new high, or rather my position can benefit from the next new high. So as you can see, was able to take that from the market. Doesn't mean the market won't continue going up, but I was able to take much more profit than you've seen me take. And again, this video is not for the risk adverse. If you are not willing to take risk, this is not the strategy for you. For your 2-week trial, go to gatewayqsecurity.com, promo code YouTube. Can't wait to see you there.